going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I got another site for y'all. Well, I've already introduced the site to y'all, but another cash out for you. You see here, I just completed a survey worth 35 points. It took me 5 minutes. I mean, that's a quick, easy survey I just did. My points here, you see I have approved 1,045. That's basically $10.45, and I have pending 498, which is $4.98. And in a couple of days, those will be approved. This is a site I talk about a lot because I just like how they give you so many surveys, they give you disqualification points, and I mean the way they line the site up is so easy for me, and I think it's easy for everybody. I'm just gonna show you the homepage real quick. Just showing you how I really put in the work on this site, how I grind it. You see here, first they show you this site right here, biggest bang for your buck. That means like the most money for your time. 11 minutes, 96 points. All right, now the thing is, like I tell you all the time, when they have these time limits up here, it doesn't mean it'll take you that long. It's just saying like an average person would take that long, but you might get it done quicker. A lot of times I get those done a lot faster than that. You see here, 400 points, health study. It'll take you 37 minutes. Now like I said, don't be afraid about the time, because you can get it done faster if you're fast at answering questions. And the thing about it is, a little helpful tip right here, it's a health study. So when you're answering these surveys, kind of just keep that in mind. They're looking for, something related to health. So when you're answering the questions, just kind of, answer them, in a related to health kind of way. All right. Then you see here below that, they have the quickest survey, which is going to take you the least amount of time out of all the surveys they have for you. 7 minutes, 48 points. You know what I'm saying? Because I know people out there that say, oh, it takes me like an hour to make $1. Online making money. So I'm like, how is that possible? Right here, you see 7 minute survey, 48 points, 48 cents just for 7 minutes. You know what I'm saying? It might just take you 5. So, you really just got to look and see what's out there. I mean, there's a lot of surveys on all of these different sites that I show you. Look, 15 minutes, 200 points. Surveys for you. That's basically when you fill out your demographics, it's kind of catered towards you. You know what I'm saying? So it's a good chance you'll qualify for it if you just take the time to do the surveys. And you see here, you just go down and it shows you more and more surveys. They have the daily poll. Let me go ahead and answer that real quick. Do you have a fire extinguisher? I don't have a fire extinguisher in my home. Just click on the answer, click submit. It'll show you the results, about half and half really. I go back up, and I should have 1,045 once I refresh. Well, no, 1,050, my bad. Once I refresh, you see there, bam, just like that. You know what I'm saying? So just that easy to make money on this site. When I come here, I usually try to get 2-3 surveys done, make a quick $2-3, just depending on how long the surveys are, how much time really to putting into it. But like I said, I've done plenty of cash out videos on this particular site, and they pay. They've been around for a minute. You see, I'm a gold member, the highest member you can be. That means I've really been putting in the work. I've really been doing these surveys. I'm not one of those people that rely on referrals. I'm really out here grinding, doing the surveys. I'm showing you proof that I'm doing it. That's why I showed you at the beginning of this video, when I completed that survey, that was me putting in the work. You know what I'm saying? You can do the exact same thing. You just got to be willing to put in the work. You know what I'm saying? So that's how that works. Now I'm going to actually show you my cash out. You see here, redeem points. You can cash out at a minimum of $10 on this site. So I'm going to click redeem points. And you see here, the expected payout date is the 19th. Right now it's the 7th. Sometimes they come quicker. You know what I'm saying? It just depends. And you can put how many you want. I could put 1,050 in here. See, maximum points I could cash out with. But for me, I had to do 10. Just so I can have some money still in my approved balance. I'd like to see that continue to go up. Request withdrawal. Click on that. And bam. You see there'll be 1 or 2 business days. Like I said, it'll be in a couple of days, and that's what it's about. You see, I had like almost $5 in my pending status. That's all. I'm almost halfway to my next cash out. So I'm just putting in the work, y'all. I'm putting in the work. You can too. Very simple site to use. They have quick surveys. They have high paying surveys. They have all of these things you can possibly want. If you go over here to partner surveys, you see here in the corner, partner surveys. Those are different offer walls they have. They have video section if that's something you're interested in. Like I tell you all the time, have your videos running in the background on a separate tab. Just different offer walls that they have there. So you can definitely check those out. And that's all it is with this site, y'all. Just like I tell you, put in the work. Whenever you have some spare time, Just do some surveys and you'll be surprised at how much money you make when you just, continue grinding. Don't give up. Stay consistent. All right. Don't get lazy. Don't get lazy. That's the biggest thing for people that don't make money online, because they become lazy. Like, they'll sign up for a site, they do all that, create an account, create a password, and they don't make any money with it because they're lazy. You know what I'm saying? Don't be like those people, because those are the same people complaining about they don't have money. So branded surveys, the link is in the description. Sign up today, create it, and as soon as you sign up, do a survey. Just that simple. Just do a survey. Even if you don't qualify for it, you'll get some disqualification points, just so you can see some money going into your balance. You know what I'm saying? And then before you know it, you keep on doing these, you'll start being qualified, and you'll get your surveys approved and all that kind of good stuff. You just have to grind. That's what it's about. Just put in the work. All right. So soon, like I said, as soon as you sign up, start a survey, do a survey. Don't stop until you actually qualify for one. All right. And then when you qualify for it, it makes you feel a little better. It's like, all right, well, I'm gonna go do another one. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's all about, y'all. So, all right, that's what I just wanted to show you that. Cash out $10. I'm gonna get another cash out very soon. You can see I need 452 more points in order to cash out, because they're counting that pending status, which means, like, if it's in pending, it's 100% guaranteed it's going to go over to approved status. For whatever reason, they hold it there for a few days, but it's going to get over approved, and you're going to get your money. So just wanted to show you that. I want you guys to sign up today. The link is in the description. And always remember, like I tell you in every video, every penny counts.